this day have those who reject faith given up all hope of your religion. Yet fear them not, but fear me. This day have I perfected your religion for you, completed my favor upon you, and have chosen for you Islam as your religion. Consistent with various traditions, it is considered to be one of the significant verses on the topic of guidance. In popular customs within the Jafri jurisprudence, the word Akmaltu in the Arabic version is used in the context of the beginning of the Imamat, which is technically not incorrect, but if one looks closely, it is just the continuation of the prophethood in the seeming absence of the Holy Prophet. Let me briefly explain it within 5 minutes. Someone had to succeed the Holy Prophet. He was supposed to ensure, as per his greatest responsibility, that the message of Allah must not only continue to exist, but to flourish forever. O Messenger, proclaim the message which has been sent to you from your Lord. If you did not, you would not have fulfilled and proclaimed His mission, and Allah will defend you from men who mean mischief. For Allah guides not those who reject faith. He proclaimed, Man kuntu Mawla, fahaza Aliyun Mawla. For whomsoever I am the master, Ali is his master. If the philosophy of any ruler is based upon a particular foundation, he tries to ensure that the creed continues to exist, so he usually chooses the most suitable successor if it's in his control. In another common situation, the successor happens to be his son, and so the tenet continues. It can be deduced that Imam Ali alayhi salam was the most appropriate choice according to the Holy Prophet, or that's what Allah Himself decided and conveyed through him. It's not just the will of the Prophet Muhammad, but also the divine obligation which started all the way inside the cave Hira years ago. And as I mentioned about the continuation of the philosophy, what was the fundamental purpose of the Holy Prophet for which he appointed the Imam as his successor? Was it to make millions and then billions after that? Was it to annex lands after lands? Was it to warrant that the political, trade or military power remains in the family unit? What was the selection based upon? If the viewers of this video agree that the life of the Prophet was based upon guidance for mankind, then evidently the selection of his successor was also based upon guidance. We all believe that the Holy Quran is the most important source of guidance for humanity. Some of us believe, based on the Hadith Saqlain, that the Ahl Bayt complete the guidance. There are some who believe that following the Sunnah completes the guidance. In either case, we have to recognize the passing of the banner, the guidance, from the Holy Prophet to the first Imam. This was never the transfer of the prophethood, but indeed the change of the guide in the physical form from the Holy Prophet to the Imam. The wisdom of the guidance, however, remains the same till today.
बर्दरे जन्नत बखाते सब्ज़ो जलील शफीए रोज़े क़यामत मोहम्मद अरबी अली इमाम मनस्तो मनम गुलामे अली हजार जाने गिरामी फिदाए